How to install steeda jacking rails on a 2017 Ford Fusion. This here will work for the 13 and newer Fusion. Now if you're like me, you're always working on cars and you do automotive yourself, do your own services or whatnot, you'll know that trying to jack up a Ford Fusion, 13 or newer Fusion, is kind of hard because you don't have much room due to the pinch weld and all the plastic crap that's underneath. Now you can see this little arrow here, and you can see even right there it's not even any good. The camera probably is not picking it up, but the arrow a bit along here, well, those will get bent out of shape. This rails here will make it a lot easier to lift your vehicle. I'll show you a little lift point up here too. If I can find it, it's somewhere along here. Yeah, right here. So you can see this arrow here. This one here's a bit better shape, but a little bent also. This one here I think costs about $170 for two of them. So you got one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. Fairly easy to install. You got these. You'll have four of these little brackets and the little bolts on it, and they actually mount onto the car kind of like factory. Alright, so here's right where your arrow's at to lift it. And if you look further back, more towards the front, you'll have a body plug, right? Well, not a body plug, but just an opening there. All you have to do is put one of these through the little hole, just like so. And you want to have your bolt off, of course, of it. Then you want to do the other one up front. Sorry for all the movements. But you'll have a hole right here. Same thing you do with this one. Take your little mounting bracket. I'm trying to look at the phone instead of through. And basically you get the idea of, let me get my hand out of the way. It's hard doing it one-handed. Alright, I was wrong. You don't mount it up there. You mount it backwards, back a bit. So kind of like where you match up this arrow that shows on where to lift it. You just kind of follow it and you'll see that hole right there. Now this is pretty straightforward. Get the right side and left side. It is not labeled, so that's kind of the confusing part. But it's kind of like matching. The flat part goes up front. This part here goes in the back. And it only fits in there one way. So if it don't fit on one side, you probably got it on the wrong way. So you can kind of see how this got a little curve to it. Goes up, then over. So you kind of match up with the body of the vehicle. See if I can get a better view of it. Right there. So it kind of goes up, then over. So right here should go kind of flush it right along here. And this part here will go right up against here. Then of course this part here is what goes right there. Alright, now what I do, I start from the front first. Get that started. Then I move to the back so I can get this hole lined up with a bolt. Alright, once when you get them started, you'll need a 15mm socket and go ahead and get them nice and tight on both ends. I already got the other side installed. You probably can't see it. Alright, so I got the driver's side all bolted down. This is what it kind of looks like, and go all the way down to the front side of it. See if I can get you. And there's the front of it on the driver's side. Goes all the way down there. Alright, and this is the passenger side. Alright, that's from looking from the front of it. Now if you're going from the back to the rear, it moves all the way up to the front. So that's just a little quick video on how to install these steeda roof jack rails so you can jack up your car easier. I haven't used this yet, of course, but I will find out if they work any good. If you are interested in purchasing this for your Fusions, I can put a link down in the description below so you can buy it. Thanks for watching.